So hello friends and welcome to my channel. So in this video I am going to show you how to make an aquarium at home, that is even with paper. So by hearing the word paper, I think you thought how it's possible. So I'm gonna show you that on this video. So please like, share and subscribe if you are new to our channel, and let's get started. You have to just draw a fish and cut it. You need 4-5 fish, as your wish how many fish you want to keep in your aquarium. As you can see, I have drawn some fishes. You need to color it from both the sides, because when it moves then the other side will look blank. So you need to color it. You take one fish, you need thread. You should tie this thread to a fish. I'm gonna show you how to do this, and you need to follow this in all your fishes what you have. Stick a needle. As you can see, I have made a small hole over there. So you need to put this like this. You need to follow this in all your fishes which you are going to put them in the aquarium. So once you have completed joining the threads with the fish, you're gonna take a cardboard and color it blue from inside. Okay, so you need to color it. So you can even draw some grasses over there and color it green. It's according to you, but you must put some pebbles down there. Downwards you must put some pebbles, 5-6 according to you, so that it may look more nice. So after you put some pebbles and draw the grasses over there, it's gonna look like this. See how amazing it is. Now what we're gonna do is, we take our fishes and we're gonna put it over there. So I'll just show you how to do this. So now we're gonna take our fish and a pencil. With the help of the pencil, you're gonna make a hole at the top of it. After making the hole, just put this thread over it. Yes, just take out from there. After it is done, you're gonna paste the thread that is lying above the cardboard with sellotape or glue. So this is the last one. as you see how amazing it looks. If you want, you can even put a transparent sheet over there, and you can even cover it if you want. So thanks for watching the video, and please like, share and subscribe. And if you are new to our channel, please subscribe, because I'm going to bring more interesting videos for you all. Thanks for watching.